Hi, my name is Alexei, and I am a CEO of GreenM, and I am here to answer some of the questions you might have. What is a typical process and timeline for implementing AI for a healthcare organization at GreenM? At GreenM, we follow a streamlined process to implement AI solutions in healthcare organizations. We start with a discovery phase where the first results are delivered within 1 month, providing a clear roadmap for the project. The full rollout typically takes about 3 months, depending on the complexity. Our approach ensures that you see tangible results quickly and that the solution is fully integrated and operational in a timely manner. How does your team ensure that AI solutions comply with healthcare regulations and standards? Compliance with healthcare regulations, particularly HIPAA, is integral to our process. Every member of our team is certified on HIPAA rules, and we embed strict security protocols into our solutions. We conduct regular audits and maintain clear documentations to ensure that all data handling meets and exceeds regulatory requirements. The rigorous approach guarantees that your data remains secure and compliant at all times. What is your approach to staying current with advancement in AI research and its application in healthcare? Our AI research team is dedicated to staying at the forefront of advancement in AI and its application in healthcare. We actively monitor the latest developments, collaborate with academic and industry leaders, and contribute to ongoing research. This commitment ensures that our solutions are not only current, but also innovative, providing you with the cutting-edge technology that drives your organization forward. What training and support can you offer for our staff to effectively use AI in patient engagement? We offer comprehensive training and support tailored to your team's needs, including hands-on sessions, detailed documentation, and ongoing assistance. Our goal is to become a true partner where our expertise elevates your team, and together we build stronger organizations. By empowering your staff to leverage AI effectively, we help enhance patient engagement and improve overall outcomes. What specific benefits have healthcare organizations reported from using AI solutions, and how do these benefits align with the current trends and needs in healthcare? Healthcare organizations that use AI solutions have reported significant improvements in operational efficiency, patient engagement, and clinical decision support. These benefits are aligned with the current healthcare trends, which emphasize data-driven decision-making and personalized patient care. By partnering with GreenM, organizations can stay ahead of these trends and continue to innovate in their field. Could GreenM assist us in identifying the optimal areas for implementing AI? Absolutely. Identifying the optimal areas for AI implementation is a critical part of our initial assessment and discovery phase. During this phase, we uncover areas of optimization and opportunities for AI utilization that can significantly enhance your operations. Whether it's improving clinical workflows, or patient engagement, or data management, we help you pinpoint where AI can have the most impact. Do you offer a product or a service? We offer what we like to call productized services. This means that we provide you tailored AI solutions designed to meet the specific needs of your organization. We combine the flexibility of a service with reliability and consistency of a product. Our goal is to ensure you receive a robust solution that's customized to your unique requirements, allowing your organizations to thrive with the support of cutting-edge AI technology.